Hello everyone, it's Toni and Happy New Year. Now, as you know, I like to show your work that you've done over the past year at the beginning of the year, because I think you guys are so creative and I love seeing when you recreate the things that I've shown you on my show. So that's what we're doing today. I'm showing you this past year's work, plus some projects that were done some years ago that I didn't get to show you that are also awesome. So check this out, take a look at yourselves. Now this first one is one of my very first projects that you guys love to keep making, decorative candle holders. Now Quratulain is from Pakistan and doesn't have the stores that we have here, but still was able to make some beautiful pieces using what she could find. Look how great these candle holders turned out using wine glasses and bowls. And just look at these elaborate centerpieces, really nice detail, very impressive. And you're going to be seeing her name a lot because she did quite a few projects you'll be seeing here today. Number 2 is my fairy garden display. Now Silvana made some lovely garden pieces before, but look at this beautiful lantern she created with the gnomes and the succulents and all the whimsical fun pieces. Number 3 are my paper flowers. Claire made a beautiful wisteria flower display in this unique cold bucket. Look how beautiful the wisteria are in different colors. It turned out gorgeous. Sam made this lovely sunflower hanging from a butterfly mobile. And Notty makes the best bouquets. Look at this vase filled with paper hydrangeas and daisies. Now speaking of paper and flowers, number 4 is my 3D paper wall art. Look at this beautiful display of 3D flowers on canvas. Betsi did an awesome job with this. She even made her art sparkle. Number 5 is my giant crystal Christmas ornaments. Mark said he made these 2 awesome pieces from watching my video. Great job, Mark. And continuing with Christmas, number 6 is my lit crown tree topper. Wow, I just posted this project last month and Martha Alicia wasted no time making her beautiful tree sparkle with this crown jewel at the top. Martha, you did an awesome job. Number 7 is my featherless feathered wall art. Now all the projects you'll see from here on will be from Quratulain. I am so excited. She recreated so many of my projects and this featherless feather wall art is one of her best. And next she did a bohemian crystal floor lamp. She also made a spiral raindrop crystal chandelier for her brother's new place. And this beautiful spiral raindrop stand. And finally she made one of my mirrored mosaic pumpkins. Thank you so much for being inspired and for creating so many beautiful pieces. Wasn't that awesome? I love seeing your work. I really enjoy when you guys send me pictures and videos of the work that you created from the videos that I've showed you. So keep them coming. And again, if you have any ideas of projects you want to see, post them on my Facebook page, messenger me, and I'll be happy to see what I can do. But until next time, I'll see you in the next video, and I hope you have a wonderful, prosperous year this year. Want more detailed instructions on some of these projects? On my Etsy store, for just a few dollars, you can get instant digital downloads of full-color, step-by-step instructions with templates for some of your favorite projects. And check out my Amazon page, where you can pick up my multi-surface acrylic metallic paint, back in stock with 8 beautiful shimmering colors. You can mix millions of colors and create endless home beauty. for indoor and outdoor projects. And while you're there, pick up my Book of Elegant Home Crafts Volume 1 with all your favorite projects together in one big, beautiful, colored, step-by-step instruction book. You can now get separate e-project booklets, and also full-color printed project booklets will be available on Amazon. On my Amazon page, you'll see all my favorite crafting tools and supplies used on this show, and you can add them all to your cart for the one-click, fast and easy shopping and delivery convenience of Amazon. I'll be working every day to make crafting fun and easy for you. Follow me at Your House of Home and Your House of Home TV on all social media for extra home, food, and gardening tips.